Hello sweet friends, it's Sarah at Crochet.With.Coffee, and today we are going to go over how to make a magic knot. So the way that I use a magic knot is when I am either attaching a old color to a new color, or if I am attaching the end of a skein to a new skein for the same color. This is a knot that I really rely on for not coming undone. I've never had any issues with it coming unraveled. I use it all the time. I put it through the washer. This has been the best knot for me. So how we're going to do that, lay it on a surface, and what we're going to do is we're going to knot the new yarn around the old yarn. So the way that we do that is we are just looping this new yarn around the old one and just making a knot. So you can see it is looped around, and then we're just going to complete like a half knot. So we see that little knot there. We're just going to pull that tight. So pull it as tight as you can. And then we're going to do the same thing with the old thread or the old yarn onto the new yarn. So again, just looping this around like that, and then going into that little loop that we created. So then we have the knot like that. And we really did it in a way where the first one had that little pretzel shape on top, and this one has a little pretzel shape on the bottom. So then we're going to pull that as tight as we can. All right, now we have this gap here, and we are just going to take the two sides of the yarn and pull it until those two knots meet. So you can see that. If you pull these tails, they come back apart. You have that loop again, that little space. But you're just going to pull it tight. It is not going to come undone. You can now cut this tail as close to the knot as you can without cutting the knot, obviously. So I'm cutting as close as I can to the knot on that side. And then this one, I'm cutting as close to the knot there. Now we're going to pull it again. I'm going to show you it will not come undone. It is staying tight. So that is how you do your magic knot. We can go over it again. I can just show you one more time so you can see that. So I'm taking my new yarn. I'm just going to loop it around like this. And see, you have that little pretzel shape up on top. Then I'm going to do that on this side just so you can see the difference. So I'm going to go up and then down underneath, and then go through that loop as well. All right, so you have your pretzel shape this way and your pretzel shape this way. So upright and upside down. And then just tighten this and tighten this. Okay, pulling your ends together. Give it a nice tug so it's nice and tight together. And then I'm just going to clip my tails. This is the best way that I have found to connect two colors together when you're in the middle of a row, or you just need to switch colors randomly, or you need to add a new skein. This is the best way that I have found to connect the yarn. I hope that's helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you find joy in the little things.